Hello and welcome back to Research Circle. So in this particular video we are going to discuss the topic how to read a research paper. If you are a college student or if you are new in the research and you want to write a good research paper, you must understood how to read a research paper first. So this is the first step of any research. So we need to understand first of all what is a research paper. A research paper is a citable document that based on any observation, experiment, hypothesis or logics, and finally by the results. So this is the research paper. Any research paper contain is based on these parameters, we can say. Moving forward, what are the benefits of reading a research paper? Now, just completing your thesis or just completing your assignments as a research paper is not the only benefit of this research, reading a research paper. Above all, it keeps you updated with today's research. It keeps you improved about the new research. It keeps you improvement in your scientific vocabulary. Your scientific aptitude will be developed, and basics of any research, new research will come to know. And finally, it helps you to compare what the previous research and what are the new findings. In this way, you can just write down what is the next step of your research by using the previous research papers. Okay, moving forward, we need to understand how to do a research or how to write a research or how to do research from previous year papers. Basically, we need to understand two things here: what to look while reading a research paper. You need to understand the specific keywords. You must focus on them. Publication year, which year it got published. Then journal name, what type of journal or the journal name. And lastly, who are the authors? Are they our designated personalities or are they new researchers? That you need to look. And where to look? It is not advisable that you just go on the Google and search randomly, because it will not find any authenticate information. So you need to go to these sources like Google Scholar, PubMed, Science Direct and Biomed Central. You can use this. Now, components of research paper. These are the main components, that is journal name, publication date, title of the article, list of the author, their affiliations, where they their affiliation, from which country they belong, from which university they belong. Then comes to abstract and keywords. This is the summarized part of whole research article. And then introduction comes, then method and materials. What method? Is it a scientific method? It is a calculative method. What method they have used, that is particularly mentioned there. Then comes result and discussion. This is a longer part. And finally, it will be a conclusion. In the conclusion, they will summarize the result of their research. And finally, they have to mention what references they have used. So it is advisable, if you want an efficient reading, some of the tips, that you must check the title first. Is it related to your research? Then just go through that paper. Otherwise, keep it aside. It will not help you in any ways. Then read the abstract and conclusion at first. If you want to get something out of it, just first step is to read the abstract and conclusion as well. It will give you an idea about that paper. If you find this useful in your research work, just read the introduction part. Introduction part will give you a summary of the research in that particular field before and what they are doing right now. Then read result and discussion in detail, and finally read the material that they have preferred. Okay, what are the references they have prepared? So these are the tips. Above all these tips, some of the generalized tips that I wanted to mention here: slow down while reading. Initially you might face some problems, so slow down. If it might require you to read one paper twice, that is okay at start. Take a printout. If you find reading difficult in online mode, just take a printout keep a highlight and marker with you to mark the important points, to mark the important words. Note it down if you find it very important. Find out the quiet place where you will focus on your reading, and above all, be patient, because this is a longer process. It will not help you in a one day. So give it a time, be patient, and you will find your desired result. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this helpful in any way, please do subscribe to Research Circle channel, and do not forget to share this video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.